30,000 views. Hey guys, this is Anisha and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today is Saturday, February the 1st. January is finally over. It just felt like that January was a complete year in my opinion. But yeah, I think it was a good month. And one of the agendas for today is to see how I did in January as a YouTuber, like a start YouTuber, and also as a starting small business. So I'm just going to give you the graph. And if you are starting out or you have like a well-established small business or a YouTube channel, leave a comment down below how you did compared to last year, like the December month. I just feel December was a bit slow for me. I did not start uploading the video till mid-December, but I just feel that due to the holidays and everything, December was a bit slow for me. And another thing that I want to do is I want to package an order. So I got an order for 3 of my daisy flowers. It's just so cute. So I need to package an order. Also, I have a clip of me like assembling these daisies yesterday. So I'm just going to take you back to that clip right now. So I have made like a little packing table type of situation right here because I don't have like a proper desk at my room right now. So yeah, I just made this one out of a study table. So we are going to use that things I got yesterday. So I got this paper. It's like a crepe paper for packing, and I also got like a ribbon. I mean, I had this ribbon. It's falling out of place. So I'm going to assemble that thing later. I ordered some thank you cards, like a simple thank you cards off of Amazon. And I did not read the text. So the card turned out to be like it had grammatical error, but it looks cute. So these are the card and it says, "Thank you for support my small business." I do want to make like a stamp of my business, which has my Instagram, so I can stick it in the back. For right now, I might just write "follow me on" and then my socials. So yeah, this is it. I edited one, which it's not like great, but it says "thank you for supporting my small business." So yeah, we are going to put this one in as well. And I have the Amazon bag for packing it up. How I've packed. I know the plastic is not great, but this is what I had. I need to order some more packaging material. And lastly, I'm going to stick this thing on. So this has like my logo, the name of my business. Then it also has my Instagram, YouTube, and yeah, all that good stuff. So I'm going to put one of these stickers like this. I think it looks very nice. So that's one thing done. I'm just going to text her and let her know it's all done. And yeah, I'm just going to give it to her. Okay, so now we are going to do a small business, small YouTube wrap up for the month. And the main reason I'm doing this is for me as well, because I want to know how I'm doing on month basis, because I know I can just find it out on the analytics board and everything, but I just want a detailed video of it every month. So even if you guys are starting out, it's good for you to know that it's not necessary that you have to gain like 1,000, 2,000 subscribers in a month. It's okay for a slow start. You just need to keep trying and keep doing it. So yeah, let's just start with my orders. I hope you know this book. So this book is really cute, and I just like the writing it has on the front. So it says, "Do small things with great love," and I think that is the philosophy of my life. So yeah, so let's see how much I sold. I don't think it's much because again, I did not do any markets or anything. So I had 3 orders this month. First was for the hexagon cardigan, which is right here. Then second was for keychain, the A-shaped keychain. Again, I'll put all the photos. And the third, which we packed just now, was for 3 daisy flowers. So yeah, that were the orders. And then moving ahead for the total sale. So I have my products in our shop, which is in Uran. if you are in and around Uran, you can check it out. I'll put the address in the description below. So yeah, so we had, excluding the 3 things I just told, we had total 10 sales at the shop, and the most things we sold were the clips, because obviously that's what I had. We also sold a veil keychain, and yeah, rest were the clips. So I'm just going to do a total. So now you need to understand that I had like one major order, which like I think consumed most of the first week and a half of January. It was the custom order shirt which I just told you. So for that shirt I got like the majority. So if my average order is higher, it's just because of that shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to exclude the shirt, and then also I'm going to tell you the average order, because this shirt was like it's of a different league. In total we have done, I'm just going to calculate real quick because I don't think I prepared well for this video. Me and Siri did a little calculation. So first I'm going to tell you the total. The total was 6,180. This is including the shirt, so that is great. And the average order was 475. And then without shirt, the average order was 98. As I said, I sold small things, like the clips are just 40-50 rupees. So yeah, that's that. So I think it was a good month. For the same, I'm hoping that February will be better, even though it's a small month. But I have already started my February. I have written, this is my month, this is my year, just for manifestation purposes. So yeah, that is for my small business sales. Now moving to the analytics of January month. So there was like one video, one short, which reached around like 12,000 viewers. So that is the majority of the views that I got. As for the total views, I had 30,000 views, and then I had a watch time. So this is including the short videos that we had. So the total watch time was 144 hours and 144.6 hours. And the total subscribers that I gained in this month was 45. Again, I think it's nice. It's more than 1.5 subscribers per day or something, which is great. So moving ahead, the top content was again the short, which had 12,855 views, and then there was another short which had 3,500 views, and then a couple which had around 18 like more than 1,500. So yeah, that was like the major videos. So I just feel like I think mostly I put at least one long video this month, like per week, and then I also put around 3 to 5. I think for the last couple of weeks I'm putting one shorts every day, and I think due to that also I have like an improvement. In no way this is like the best or ideal, because most of my shorts end up getting less than 500 views, which is not great. There are like a couple of shorts that go beyond that. So the thing I want to improve this month is I want to get I want to get all of my shorts more than 500 views. So I'm thinking, I'm researching on how to do that, and hopefully when I do this next month it will be better. Also, if you have any questions regarding any of the things I do, like if you have any questions about anything, you can leave it down in the comment box below, and I would love to help you guys. So now I think we will go back to our crocheting thing. As I told you, today is Saturday. Tomorrow I will be out all day probably. I have to meet up with a friend, and then I am going to India versus England 50-20 match. Even though the series is already sealed by India, they are leading 3-1, and that is the last match. I just hope that they don't rest too many players and something like that. But yeah, that definitely be a great experience. I've never really seen a T20 international match in the stadium before. So this will be my first one, and I'm excited about that. So probably I won't vlog as much tomorrow, but I think I'm going to take bits and pieces of it, because obviously we are not allowed a mic or anything in the stadium. So I'm just going to try, as I'm out all day, to keep my battery intact. But yeah, now getting back, as I told you that I made some tulips yesterday, I still have like 6 tulips which I have prepared, but we need to stick that on, and I'm in no mood to do that right now. So for right now, I am going to start with making sunflowers. Again, I'm going to do the same things. I'm going to make 10 sunflowers, and I think I prepared like 5 of the brown parts yesterday. So this is what I did yesterday night. I was just too tired to carry on, so I made 1 2 3 4 5. So I need to make 5 more of those, and then I need to make 5 of the green. I think I pulled the yarn out. So yeah, this is the green one, and I need to assemble them together. So that's the plan for right now. I think it will take the whole day, and if I get time, I'm going to assemble those. I think even in the last vlog I was assembling flowers, and even in this vlog I'm going to do the same. I'm just trying to make inventory, guys, because I'm really hoping to do a market this month. It goes well, then we can do a market every alternate, and I think that will be great for content for you guys as well, because I always find my market vlogs fun. So yeah, we are going to finger crossed do a market, and let's just get started on
super green, not sparkle. We went from $6 to $50.
We are back and we have finished 10 of these orange ones, and now I am going to start with the green one as soon as I find the yarn. So yeah, this is the green yarn. It's like falling apart, and I think, yeah, I think I have another one. I just got a new one, so that is fine. So I'm going to make this, and in addition to the flowers that I'm making, I also wanted to make some bows, like a simple black hair tie thing, and then yeah, to give it some character, I just want to stitch like a bunch of flowers or something similar, so it is like a bit different than the regular boring bow. So I also want to do that. So a couple of ideas that I have, I want to do it with sunflower and obviously daisies, or maybe we could do some colorful flowers. Then I also made some small flower like this one, and I basically have to make a order with this, so we will get to it maybe in this video in the evening or something, because right now I want to focus on my sunflower. So yeah, if we get to it, I'll tell you more about it. But yeah, I think this will also look cute as a hair clip, and I got like a bunch of steel clips. Again, I'll show you once I get to it, but I want to stick like a couple of those and to make a hair clip. So, like currently my focus is on girls, like the not only the little girls, even the teenager, and even like someone at my age who are like adults, but they like to have something cute in their hair. So yeah, that's my target audience right now, and I want to make as much as small things, because as you must have seen in my previous market video, most of the things that sold were like the small things. So I want to focus on scrunchies, colorful hair bows, as I told you, like flower bows, or maybe some hairband, rather than making like a bigger thing. We are hoping to complete these flowers today, at least making them. So from tomorrow, because I don't have to give that order till I think Tuesday or Wednesday, so I can even make it on Monday. And if I do make it on Monday, I am definitely going to vlog it, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so we are going to complete this flower hopefully. And as for putting those together, I might do it off camera, because I think I've shown way too much of me assembling flowers in the vlog already. So I might do that off camera. But yeah, I think that's the plan for today, finishing the sunflower. One more thing that I wanted to make are some amigurumi. Specifically in my list currently is I want to make a penguin. So I have like penguin, I think I don't remember whose pattern or something I was looking at, but I saw this penguin and I thought it's very cute. So if I do end up making it, I'll not probably make it in this, because I want to finish the flowers and everything. So yeah, I think that's the plan for the week, at least like what's in my to-do list. Baki, let's see what we end up making. I have this green color, it's almost over, as you know, and the other green color that I have, a bit different in color, light green, that's fine. But with this green color, I am hoping to finish the 10 back things of the sunflower. And also I need to make a small circle, so that when I stick the sunflower together, the color is same. So what I'm talking about, I just wanted to show you, this is the daisy. So this is the front side, and you can see the sticks. I did not want the stick to be shown on the back side, as you can see. So what I do is make a little circle. It's not 100% visible, but you can see there's this circle, and inside that I glue gun the stick, and then I stitch up the round of the circle. I just feel it's a bit clean. And I also need to burn this thing a bit, and I'm very scared of using the lighter, so I'll ask my brother or someone to do it. So yeah, I just had my food, so my belly is full and everything is good to go. So I'm just going to watch Kelsey's live stream. That's what I'm doing. And yeah, let's just keep doing this. It looks like a magic stick. Okay, so it's 5 p.m. right now. I have been a bit slacking while I was crocheting. I completed like 6 of these green ones. They are not yet attached together, because I want to do an invisible stitch for the end. And this is how much yarn I have left. Like, it's barely anything. So I'm just wondering if I should pick up the other yarn for the remaining 4, or I should continue with this. I've started the 7th one, so I feel it's going to be enough. But what I'm scared about is I'll complete 10 of those back portions, and then I won't have anything for making that small circle that I was talking about. So yeah, that is something to think about. What I'm thinking right now, I'm just bored with this, so I want to make something else. I really want to try this penguin pattern that I was talking to you about. Probably we should like give that a try, because I have like 30 minutes before I have to go and do some chores. So I think we can start that. I'll look up the video and we'll resume this thing later. I'll probably finish this little thing, and then we'll have 7, and then I'll move to the next one. Oh, also I noticed that the green yarn is a bit thinner than the brown yarn that I'm using, so I ended up switching to my 4mm for the green side, and then a 3.5 for my brown side. So yeah, that's something I changed. And also I just ordered like 100 ponytails holder. So I was wondering if it will be a good idea to do how much scrunchies I can make in a day or something, because yeah, I think I might do that because it's a good idea. It will be fun, and I anyway need to make a bunch of scrunchies for the market that I am constantly talking about, which I have not booked yet. So this is a pink. I made flowers and a bit of tulips with it, and this is how much I'll have left. And I feel this will be enough. And I do want to finish up some skeins so I can, not feel guilty about buying. So yeah, that's what we are going to do. And I'll just see you when I like finish a bit of it or something, and I'm definitely going to show my process of making it. So yeah, let's just try to make something we haven't ever made in our life. But first, let's finish this little thing up. Okay, now that this is done, I'm going to just put it aside. So now we are going to search for the tutorial I was talking about and get started. Okay, so I just found the tutorial. It's by Mary Make, and it's Pudgy Penguin tutorial. So obviously when you make an amigurumi, you make it out of like a Chanel soft velvet yarn or something. But I am going to do that, but I just want to try how it looks with this size 4 yarn. So I'm going to try this, and if I feel like it's sellable, then we can just go ahead and use some of our Chanel yarn. The another reason I'm not using that Chanel yarn is because I want to first make scrunchies out of them. I want at least 50 scrunchies in my basket. So we just have 12. So we need to make 38 more. I'm thinking of doing that first, and then we will use that Chanel yarn to make amigurumis out of. Okay, so I have chosen this 5.5 mm hook, and we are going to start with the tutorial. Okay, so I have finished 4 rows. I like the color, obviously, it's pink. So from the next row, they are going to incorporate the white color. So I am going to get my white color as well. And we are going to start doing that. Okay, so I have finished 7 rows, and this is how it's looking. So you can see this U shape is for I am going to take a break and do some of the chores I have to do around the house, and then I'll meet you once I resume. Okay, so I have finished 9 rows. I can see like a bit of pink poking out, but I feel that's okay because it's like a light color. So if I'm doing a darker color, I might just have to like cut it, because I'm cutting the white and it's just a lot of loose end. But again, we are going to stuff it, so yeah, that's going to be fine. But this is the progress so far. I think now we are going to start like a decrease, and then we are going to increase. It's not for beginner for sure, it's a bit complicated, but yeah, I am going to keep working on it, and then we'll see if it turns out to be cute. Looking good so far. Okay, it's turning out to be very cute. I have my cotton right here, and now we are going to start stuffing. Okay guys, so we are done with a little penguin, like the body of it at least. Now we are going to move ahead and with the mouth and the legs and all that stuff. So I think it's looking nice so far. It's 7:30 by the way. We started at I think 5 and we took a break, but still I think yeah, so we are going to keep doing it, and then hopefully the final product will be worth it. Okay guys, so I am done with the penguin. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! So this is how it turned out. It's not perfect, I know. The thing I would do differently is definitely the nose right here. It looks a bit flat. But yeah, overall I think it turned out to be very cute, and it took me quite some time. So if I will do it again or not, I have no idea. I might do it with Chanel yarn once to just try it out. But yeah, I think it's late, so we are going to stop this vlog right here. And if I do end up vlogging or recording some shots of tomorrow, like what happens tomorrow, then I'll put them on my next vlog, like at the start of the next vlog. I think this vlog has been long enough. I think that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, it's okay, you can hit the dislike button. I'll also comment down below how I did on this penguin. I know it's not perfect, and what other amigurumis do you want me to make for the first time. And do subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.